Well, if you're anything like me, one of the more motivational things to keep my spaces clean is having people over. And quarantine pretty much ruined that, right? But my parents are coming into town. Plus I'm having shoulder surgery. Plus I'm having, I can't say it. Plus I'm having shoulder surgery soon and I want to get all the things done before that. So today, what I'm going to be doing, since it's nice and cool outside this morning, is cleaning out my van. So if your vehicle's starting to look kind of trashy, watch this video and you'll feel a lot better. Oh look, fortune cookies. So first things first, emptying out the trash. I've got a trash bag in the van already, and now I'm gonna fill it up. I had the kids do a preliminary pickup the other day when my husband took out a seat. I do have some recycle in there that I'll empty out before I actually put it in the trash. This is a full chip bag and some reading material. I accidentally spilled some water and I made a stain. I should probably try to scrub on that again. I've got some returns to make here, so I think I should put them into a bag so I know what's wet. Yeah, I've got a reusable bag. Haven't really been using them since the quarantine. I'll stick it in the car door. Here are our masks. My daughter had her kindergarten graduation last night, and I remembered 30 minutes beforehand that the adults needed to wear masks, so I had to whip this up for my husband, and I think it turned out pretty good. It's cute. So I think we'll put these mask thingies here. Trash. A receipt for a shoulder thing. So this is a hand cleaner thing, and put the pen in my door. Oh look, fortune cookies. Stuff to give to a friend. See, I like to have reading material. Let's go inside. This is a layered old pocket mask. I should probably take another CPR class because that's been a while. Snack stuff. And I'll take these things inside. And I'm gonna scrub on this too after I vacuum it. See, just filthy. Oh man. At least with these booster seats, they're easier to, nasty. They're easier to remove from the vehicle and clean out than the 5-point harness car seats are. So if you're a new or expectant parent, I definitely recommend buying your vehicle used. We buy our vehicles used, but this one was really nifty, I thought, because it came with a vacuum. But the vacuum bags are just about the size of a popcorn bag, like a mini personal size popcorn bag. So when I do a big cleaning job like this, oh, it's bad. Then I usually just use my large vacuum because the vacuum bags don't fill up as quickly. So when we first got the van, my husband was worried about the dog making it messy. Nope, the kids have really gotten it super messy with food and stuff, but we do allow them to eat back here, so that's kind of our fault too. But back to work. When I was a kid, vacuuming out the vehicles was my job. I'd get paid $1 or $2, and then I'd save my money up to buy some craft supplies, maybe some rubber stamps or something like that is usually what I would do. But now that I've got kids of my own, and they're not quite at the age to do a really thorough job, it's something that I kind of put off for a while. So this, I think, was a pack of Nerds my daughter got from a birthday party favor bag, and it exploded all over. So this back here has kind of been the holding cell, I guess you could say, for a lot of things that I haven't been able to donate or give away yet. So it keeps getting smashed and moved around. That's a bag of clothes for the homeless. There's some CDs to give to a friend. Random stuff. These are more kids things for a friend. So I think I need a better corralling system for that, because I do want it in here just so that I don't forget about it. Then a cold pack, remnants of my rock project. And this is only the first load actually. And then bags to recycle. I just have everything in here. It's kind of overwhelming. I'm happy enough with the back seats, so I'll stick in these booster seats again and vacuum them off quick too. Okay, well, it's not perfect back here, but it's better than it was before, and I'm gonna go with it. One of my kids' rocks. Little doodads. I'm gonna stick that in the giveaway. Okay, all this stuff over here that is meant to either give away or recycle, I'm gonna have to figure out a better way to corral. So I've got a laundry basket, and I'm just gonna keep it in here. And the laundry basket might shift around, but at least all this stuff will stay tethered. And then that way, after I've vacuumed it, it'll be a little bit tidier in here, and hopefully the thrift stores will open up soon and I'll be able to get the stuff to the friends that I said I'd give it to, and that'll help it feel a lot less messy in here, as well as helping me get my house cleaner by decluttering. Besides hauling rocks in here, I also stick the kids' bikes in here, so we definitely use this quite a bit, probably more like a truck. Cold pack things, going to the grocery shop. Well, it's not completely spotless, but it sure makes a big difference to get into a clean car. It definitely feels a lot nicer in here, and I don't have that, like, subconscious cringe kind of factor that you do when you get into a dirty, trashy vehicle. So I actually need to go inside now because it is a work day, and my husband's in taking care of the kids, getting their breakfast and everything, so I see the time and I gotta go. But if you enjoyed this video, if it was motivational for you, be sure to hit that thumbs up button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell if you want to know when the next video is up. I aim to post a new video every Friday about intentional creative living. You might have noticed a lot of the intentional living videos on my channel revolve around reducing overwhelm by decluttering, and in this case, cleaning and organizing. So if you like that kind of content, I try to alternate, and if you want more motivation for cleaning and decluttering, here's a playlist you might enjoy. This is my most recent video, and YouTube thinks that you'd enjoy this video. I hope you have a great day. I'll see ya. And quarantine pretty much ruined that. ruined that.